Hello students, I am Dr. Pallavi Chetan Patil from Sarhat College of Arts, Commerce and Science. I am here for important questions of your favorite banking and finance subject SEM2. Here we have a second chapter, functions of banking. Under the functions of banking, we can have a very few questions which is very important for your university exam. What are the primary and secondary functions of commercial banking? And here we have an answer of that primary and secondary functions of commercial banking. The first one is primary function, and that one is accepting deposit. Under the accepting deposit, you have some deposit types. For example, the current account deposit, demand deposit, fixed deposit, and time deposit. You can pause the video and write down the notes also. Okay, here is some questions for the distinguish and you have an answer about the demand deposit and fixed deposit also. In our next slide, we can see our next one, that is saving deposit. Now the saving deposit explanation is here. The second primary function is accepting loan. Under the accepting loan, we have a cash credit, demand loan, short term loan, and so on. After that, here we also have some general utility function. Under the general utility functions, sometimes it's for the short note of the 7 marks. Write down the general utility functions of the bank. So you can write here, that is local facility, traveler checks, underwriting security, and even the collection of statistics. Okay, after that we have agency function. For the 7 marks questions, university may ask you to write the agency functions of banks. So under the agency functions, here transfer of funds, collection of payment of various items, purchase and sales of foreign exchange, purchase and sale of security, income tax consultancy, trustee and executors, and the last one is letter of reference. All functions is very important, that is your agency functions, even your general utility functions, primary and secondary functions also. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful to all of you. As you know that this is a very important question for university exam. All the best for your exams also. Thank you students.